Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with personal capital, full guide step by step clearly. To begin scaling with personal capital, first, create your account on the Personal Capital website. Fill in your personal information to set up your profile. Next, link your financial accounts for a comprehensive view of your finances. Add your bank accounts, investment accounts, and any other assets you want to track. Ensure to include all liabilities, such as loans and credit cards, to get a complete picture. Once your accounts are linked, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the various tools available, such as the Net Worth Tracker and Cash Flow Analyzer. Set financial goals using the Goal Setting feature to create a roadmap for your financial future. Analyze the Investments section to assess your portfolio's performance and allocation. Review the Retirement Planner to understand if you are on track to meet your retirement goals. Utilize the Budgeting feature to monitor your spending habits effectively. Establish a monthly budget based on your income and expenses. Track your investments regularly to make informed decisions. Make adjustments to your portfolio in response to performance and market changes. Consider setting up alerts for significant changes in your finances. Review your financial progress at least once a month to stay aligned with your goals. Engage with Personal Capital's resources, such as blogs and webinars, to enhance your financial knowledge. As you gather more data, continually refine your goals and strategies for improvement. By maintaining a disciplined and informed approach, you can effectively scale with Personal Capital. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.